In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some of the more critical features within the Phantom app, ensuring your wallet remains secure and intact. It's easy to click on the wrong button if you're not super familiar with what each function does. So let's dive in and make sure you're aware of the do's and don'ts. First, let's talk about the importance of understanding the buttons within the app, especially when dealing with sensitive information. Using Phantom can be a breeze, but only if you know what each function entails. You might come across certain buttons or features that seem straightforward, but could have significant consequences if not handled with care. One of these is the Reset Secret Recovery Phrase option. Now, how do you get to this option? You'll need to open the Phantom app and navigate to the settings. Scroll down and you'll see the Reset Secret Recovery Phrase option displayed there. At first glance, it might seem like a simple reset feature, but it's crucial to understand the implications before you proceed with pressing it. Tapping this button initiates a reset process that completely wipes your wallet from the app. This means that all access to your funds and information linked to your wallet is erased from your device. Essentially, it renders your wallet inaccessible unless you've taken prior precautions. This is where backing up your secret recovery phrase becomes indispensable. Without this backup, regaining access to your wallet will be impossible once it's been wiped. It's as serious as it sounds. We're not joking around here. Losing access to your wallet could mean losing your funds altogether, so always ensure you have securely backed up your secret recovery phrase in a safe and reliable manner. While being extra cautious about what you click might seem inconvenient at times, it could save you a lot of trouble in the future. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the app's layout and options. A little preventive awareness can go a long way in maintaining the security of your wallet. In summary, always double-check before you click any button, especially ones dealing with your recovery phrase and account settings. Remember, Phantom has many useful features, but they require careful handling to ensure you don't unintentionally lose access to your important information. Stay informed, back up consistently, and your experience with Phantom should remain smooth and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating Phantom's settings safely. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more tips and tricks to make your digital finance journey easier and safer. See you then.